Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream. Making delicious homemade ice cream is simpler than you might think, even without a fancy machine. We'll start by combining 2 cups of heavy cream with 1 cup of whole milk. Then, add 3/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy recipe. For the best results, it's crucial that your heavy cream and whole milk are thoroughly chilled. This helps achieve that perfect creamy texture we all love. Once your base is mixed, you can customize it with various flavorings. Think about adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for chocolate or a few drops of almond extract for a nutty twist. The possibilities are endless. Now for the magic part, freezing without an ice cream maker, pour your mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe dish. After about 30 minutes, take it out and stir it really well. This step is key to preventing large ice crystals and creating a smooth, scoopable texture. You'll repeat this stirring process every 30 minutes for about 2 to 3 hours until it's firm. Once your ice cream is firm, it's ready to enjoy. Let it sit out for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly for easier scooping. Serve it in bowls or cones, perhaps with your favorite toppings like fresh berries or chocolate sauce. For storage, keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.